Welcome to Hiramand classes. Vinay, what are you doing now?
I am learning English.
Yes, we are in English. Which topic you are learning?
I am learning grammar topic.
Grammar topic. Which grammar topic?
Today I would like to clarify some problems
Of articles.
of articles.
Articles. Okay. Do you know articles?
I don't know surely.
Yes. How many articles are there?
There are three articles.
Three articles. Which are those?
A, an and the.
A, an, and the. Okay. And do you know what are these?
I don't know, sir.
Yes, I will tell you. These are fact adjectives.
Yes.
These are fact adjectives.
Yes.
And a and an are definite articles or indefinite articles?
A and the are
A and an are
indefinite.
articles.
Yes.
And the is the
Definite.
article. How you say these are the indefinite articles A and an?
I don't know, sir.
Yes,
Explain
I will
me.
tell you. A and an are indefinite articles because they couldn't shows.
Yes.
Means they are not a particular things shows.
Yes.
They are not shows particular things. Suppose a boy is there
Yes.
and an apple is there. A boy and an apple. These words should not show the particular thing.
Yes.
A boy means any boy. An apple means any apple. In this way, these are the indefinite articles.
Okay.
And when they use a and an,
I don't know, sir.
yes, I will tell you. A and an are used for the singular nouns or
Yes.
singular things in the sense of singular. And do you know when uses the?
The I don't know, sir. Surely.
Okay, I will tell you.
Yes.
The uses in a singular and plural also.
Okay.
Singular noun or plural nouns. Okay. And in this way, what the shows, why it is called definite article, do you know? Why it called definite article? Okay, I will tell you. Definite article, the is there.
Yes.
Because the shows the particular thing.
Okay.
Particular thing, especially. And when you use, especially I will tell you about the an.
Okay.
An. Or how?
I.
I will tell you about the an. When we should use an article?
An is
Before
before the vowel sounds.
Vowels. Okay? Before the
Vowel
vowels.
sounds.
Vowel sounds. Okay? A, E, I, O, U.
Yes.
Okay? A, E, I, O, U.
Yes.
And then sometimes the exceptions use
Yes.
of an is there. Sometimes H will be silent.
Okay.
Suppose I will give you an R. An R means here HOUR.
Yes.
H will be silent.
Yes.
And sometimes an will be used before the M. MA.
Yes.
MA is the degree.
Huh.
At that time, an MA use. Okay? These should be, you should remember yourself.
Yes.
Okay? And then use, and I will show you some writing form.
Yeah.
Writing form. Please.
Okay.
Here. These are the writing explanation about the a and an and the.
Okay.
These are the writing explanation.
Okay.
And here is also an.
Yes. Yes.
Here is the writing form. An is used before vowels like A, E, I, O, U and before silent H. Example, an hour. An is used before consonants like H means an hour, honest, or an ME.
Yes.
Okay. And when uses the, which situations?
Yes.
Which particular situations we will use the before nouns?
Yes.
I will show you in the writing form. Okay. Here it shows writing form, and here it shows writing form. Okay.
Yes.
Please sit down. I will tell you. I will give you examples. With examples, I will explain where should we use the before the nouns. Means it uses before particular thing or person. Thing or person. The boys of the school are clever. The boys of the school are clever. This is the example. And again, he came to the house and knocked at the door. He came to the house, and here the boys.
Yes.
Okay. And again, I will tell you second time. It uses before national names.
Okay.
National names. The Indians are brave. The Indian culture is great.
Yes.
The British people are clever. In this way, you use the national names.
Yes.
And when they use it in a third stage, it uses to denote the class or kind. Class or kind. Means the horse is a noble animal.
Yes.
It is example. The horse. Class.
Yes.
The dog is faithful animal. Means here kindness.
Yes.
Okay. Next, in a fourth way,
Yes.
it uses before names of great.
Yeah.
Means great names. Suppose the book, the Gitanjali is there.
Yes.
The Gitanjali. This is the book. Amala, the newspaper is there. The Hindu News. The Hindu. And famous building is there. Means Taj Mahal.
Yes.
Historical events. Means that the battle of Panipat. The battle of Panipat. And ship, the Titanic. The Titanic. So these are the uses before great names.
Yes.
Okay. I will give example only, show some few examples. Okay. You will be make it more. Then step number 5, it uses before unique things.
Yes.
Unique things, which are the true things in the world. The sun, the moon, the earth, the east, the man. These are the unique things in the world. And then I will tell you in the sixth step, the uses before superlative degrees. Can you give me example superlative degrees?
This is the biggest room in this.
Yes, this is the biggest room. Okay. She is the best girl in 10th class. She is the best girl in 10th class. And this is the cheapest fruit in the market. Cheapest fruit.
Yes.
The cheapest fruit. So in this way, we will use the article. Okay. Have you clarified?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I will. Understand?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. We will stop here. And again, I want to tell one thing. Means, if you like the videos, please subscribe it and press the bell icon, and it will help us to upload our videos. Thank you very much. We will stop here. Tomorrow we will continue our class. Thank you.